Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we explore how shapes can create dynamic visual patterns. Begin with a circle and scale it down slightly. Then duplicate this circle multiple times for pattern formation. Use the distribute function to maintain equal spacing. Rotate the group circles to generate radial symmetry. Add a gradient fill to highlight the circular motion. Use layer effect to apply an inner glow for softness. Now change the blending mode to overlay for vibrant colors. Introduce a background rectangle for structure balance. Apply noise textures on the background to add character. Also increase saturation to enhance overall visual harmony. Group all